Okay, now that we learned how density-filled envelope work, let's have a look at cavity front and cavity back. Those cavities are basically Boolean functions, but with a little bit of difference. If you perform the Boolean directly on the structure, it will cut it through and it will ruin some properties out of it. But when you choose the cavity, it automatically takes that part outside of your envelope, and then the structure, the ADMS infill, will be created around that cavity part. Let me dive into the example for you. So in this box, which is created by Spherene, I would like to have a cavity here and there. So I'm going to define these two spheres as my cavity points. As you see, we have cavity front and cavity back. So I already meshed both of them. I'm going to take sphere 1 to here and sphere 2 to cavity back. Okay. Now I'm going to perform the iteration here. Let's see the results together. Okay, the calculation is done. And now we are going to observe the results together. Here it comes. And there we go. So we see the cavities here. As you see, the structure has been created completely around that without any sharp edges. And in the other side, the cavity shape is different. So each of these, cavity front and cavity back, close different chamber. Based on your needs, you need to choose it correctly. See you in the next video.